Today we will show you how to remove and replace the dispenser assembly on this GE French door refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Reasons for replacing the switch actuator would be if the unit is not dispensing water.
Stop. Be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
To replace your dispenser cover and your switch, release the tabs with a flat-bladed screwdriver in the bottom, and then pull down, and your cover will come off. Now pull your wires out for your Molex connector. Disconnect your connector, and pull the two tabs apart, and your switch will come right out. To install your new switch, take your switch, press it in till the tabs lock. Plug in your Molex connector. Tuck the wires behind the water line. Then take your cover, fish your water line through the cover, lock the tabs into the top, and push on the bottom. And that will complete your repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.